In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve the address not found problem in Gmail. This issue can be quite frustrating, but with a little patience and systematic troubleshooting, we're going to fix it in just a few short minutes. Let's start by accessing your Gmail account. You can do this through your preferred web browser or by using the Gmail app on your mobile device. You'll want to be logged in to check where the problem might be stemming from with your email delivery. Now that you're inside Gmail, it's critical to verify the email address you're attempting to send your message to. Double-check that you have the correct address because even one wrong character could cause your email to be undeliverable. Sometimes, it's these simple mistakes that lead to big frustrations. Take a moment to carefully examine the email address for any typos. If you're typing too quickly, it's easy to let a slip happen, so slow down to make sure everything is spelled accurately. Even an additional period, a misplaced character, or a missing letter can prevent your email from reaching its destination. Let's consider the capitalization and presence of any unusual characters in the email address. Although most email systems aren't sensitive to capitalization errors, some systems may interpret these differently, so double-check that everything looks consistent. Also, make sure there are no extraneous symbols that might confuse the email system. Additionally, it's time to look into the recipient's email account itself. Ensure that the account is still active and properly set up. Accounts can occasionally get closed or deactivated, particularly if the user has changed domains or hosts. If, after these checks, you're still experiencing trouble, reach out to the recipient directly. It's possible they may have changed their email address without informing you. This step is important as it reassures you that you're communicating with the intended contact. If the problem is still not resolved, it's helpful to try accessing your Gmail through a different account. Sending the email from another account helps determine if the issue is unique to your Gmail or if it's related to the recipient's account. Should there still be no resolution, the next step is to inspect your own Gmail settings. There could be a filter or setting hindering the delivery of your emails. Check your DNS records as well because incorrect settings here can disrupt email communication. Finally, if none of these steps resolve your issue, it's time to contact Gmail support. They possess the necessary tools and expertise to diagnose and fix deeper technical issues that you might not have access to. Remember, there's always a solution available, and by following these steps, you're well on your way to resolving the address not found problem in Gmail.